first day of fleet racing. It's the first day of me helming the boat again, and hopefully I can remember how to do it. Hopefully we are going to have at least a couple of races today, and if the breeze maintain the same intensity, I think we could have good races. I remember how to do it. We had a really good start. We were fighting with Aqua in the last downwind. We finally made it, and you know, it was a good success for us. I think for us was a really good feeling. Hopefully we can repeat this feeling. You know?
We're both coming in with good pressure in the sails, and then they overtook us. We had to pinch a bit to get to the mark.
Obviously, we had to give them rights, and we were aiming for the mark. And at a certain point, they sort of decided to luff us up a little bit, and they just did it faster than I expected.
As they overtook us, they took the wind, so the mast, we came straight up, and they hit our rig, and well, that was a mistake of theirs.
So we did a penalty turn before bearing away and setting the chute.
Wind is always nice, especially downwind. It's great. These boats are super. I mean, they go very well in light winds, but in a bit stronger winds, that's where they really take off.